Welcome back, everybody. This is going to be a quickie video that shows you how to get an animated video from your camera object, panning, moving across your model. So here we go. Select the camera. Move it sort of close to where your starting point is going to be. So I'm going to say right about there. I'm going to reset the rotation of the camera. Alt-R. Now I'm going to rotate it in the Y. R, Y, 90, enter. I'm going to rotate it on the X, R, X, 90, enter. And I'm going to peek at what it's looking at right now by hitting 0 on the numpad. Not bad. Okay, now let's set up the keyframe animation now that I got my camera ready. I'll just expand the timeline there a little bit. I'm going to set my camera to record location and rotation of the camera as I go. And let's record. I'm currently on frame 1. Frame 1. I'm going to record this. Keyframe it. So keyframe. I see the yellow line. Keyframe made. I'm going to move in time all the way to, I'm just rolling the mouse here. I'm going to roll in time to maybe 150 or so. And I'm going to move the camera over here. And I'm going to hit the keyframe. Now it knows another keyframe's there. The camera's over there by 150. The program fills in the gaps. There's frame 1 to 150. Let's look what the camera is seeing by going back into our program here and just clicking 0. And let's hit play to animate through. It animates through beautifully. That's my little pan video of the cube. I know it continues past 150. Don't worry about that. When you go to render, you're going to specifically tell it, take from frame 0 to frame 150. That'll be a different setting. That's really it.